I bullied him. In fact, I was the leader of the bullies. It's because of me kaya nasira ang childhood niya.
Yung pagiging possessive, maaring trauma response din yan eh. Maaring nung bata siya, meron siyang pinagkatiwalaan na inabandona siya.
Secretary Kim,